Hi everybody. Today I'll be trying out a new product from Kiss. I believe it's new because I've never seen it before. But it's called Manicovery Recovery Nail Kit. This is perfect for gel, acrylic, and artificial nail aftercare. When you take your artificial nails off and they're looking kind of bad, this is supposed to help. My nails are a lot better than they used to be because I only use Kiss Impress nails. It's gentler on your natural nails. So they are a lot better, but they are looking kind of dry right now. And they could use some help. So before I apply the next set of nails, I'd like to give them a little TLC with this recovery kit. So let's see what's in here. So it comes with a nail oil and a cream. And 2 sets of nail masks. Now this is really interesting to me. I've never seen nail masks. So let me read the directions and see what it says. It says what it is. Multitasking K-Beauty Trio works together to revive weak and dry nails and cuticles. It also repairs damage from artificial nails, gel polish, and acrylics. Nails look healthier after one treatment. Okay. How it works. Nail mask infused with cacao seed, milk, and soybean rejuvenates nails and cuticles. Nail strengthening cream powered by borage and jojoba oils, calendula extract, nourishes and protects. Cuticle oil fortified with almond oil and vitamin E rapidly hydrates and adds healthy shine. Now it says to use. Separate nail masks on perforated lines and wear on fingertips for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so they have these have something inside of them already. Okay. So after 10 to 15 minutes, you remove the masks and massage in the excess serum. And then step 2 says massage nail strengthening cream into nails and cuticles. And step 3 is brush cuticle oil on nails and cuticles. Nail masks are touchscreen compatible. Oh, that's good to know. Let's see. Use cuticle oil and nail strengthening cream daily for maximum benefits. You can use cream on your hands too. Save second set of nail masks for future use. Okay. Let's get started. These are the masks. They do feel a little bit, I can feel that there's something in here. Okay. But it's not dripping or anything. Let's see how this works. Take it apart. And it opens on the end like that. Put your finger in there. They said this is touchscreen compatible, so it just feels like plastic to me, but I'll see. I'll test it out. Oops. Okay, when you apply these, I would suggest you start from your small finger, your little finger, and work your way up, because you're going to need these to open them and help put them on. Okay. Have them all on. So I'll wait for 10 to 15 minutes. So let's see if they really are touchscreen compatible. Let's see. Yeah? Okay. They do work. So I'll come back in 15 minutes and take these off. Okay, the time's passed. Now let's take these off. It left like a cream on my nails. That's the serum that I'm supposed to massage in. It feels a little bit creamy, kind of. A little thick. All right. Okay, so that's all massaged in there now. And the next step is to apply the cream. My fingers are kind of slippery. Okay, there we go. There's the cream. It feels like a nice moisturizing cream. Rub this all in. Now I'm supposed to see a difference after just one use, so let's hope it works. And the last step is the cuticle oil. And there it is. They don't feel dry anymore, that's for sure. And I was able to use my phone with the finger masks on, so that was true. So for the price, I think this is a decent product. It moisturized my nails really well. It feels good on my skin. Now I'll let this soak in for a day or two before I apply the next set of nails. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.